guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel HTML with Adhya. In this video, we'll be discussing about HTML colors RGB. RGB is an acronym for the colors red, green and blue. So each letter of these colors specifies the parameter of that particular color from 0 to 255. By parameter, I mean it sets a boundary of the contribution of that color between the three colors RGB. So for example, RGB 25500. That means the value of R into that contribution is the highest, and green and blue do not contribute anything because the value is 0. Okay, so because the red is set to the highest value and the other two colors green and blue are set to 0, the result that we get is gonna be red. Okay, now to display black, we have to set all the color parameters to 0 like this, RGB 000, and if you want to get white color, then you have to set all the color parameters to the highest value, which is 255. Okay, now let's see how do we do all that. Over here, I'm gonna use my style attribute, of course, because I'm styling my fonts or my background. Okay, and over here, red is set to the highest value, whereas green and blue do not contribute anything. That means the result I'm going to get will be red. Over here, R, which is red and green, are set to 0 and blue has the highest value. That means the result that I will get is blue. And then over here in the third case, I have red as 60, blue as 179, green as 179 and blue as 113. So the color I'll get will be a little bit of light green. And in the fourth case, I have red as 238, green as 130 and blue as 238. So I'll get a little bit of peachy pink. And if I have red as 255, green as 165 and blue as 0, I'll get a light orange color. And in the last case, if I have red as 106, green as 90 and blue as 205, I'll get a purple kind of color. So what you can do to, if you have to get some colors, then you can contribute or set parameters of the colors and then see by using the trial and error method. Okay, now let's see the next topic, which is shades of gray. So if you want to have a gray color as a background, then you'll have to set all the color parameters to equal parameters. That means, let's see how we do it. Over here, as you can see, I have my style attribute background color RGB, and if I want to get gray, I set all my color parameters to 60. That means they all are equal, and the result I get is this. It's a darker gray. And then in this one, in the second case, I've set all of them 200 and I get a little bit of lighter. So as you can see, as the number and the values increase, the color is getting lighter. So you can learn that and you can note that down as well. Now let's see what is RGBA color values. So we know RGB, red, green and blue, but what is A over here? So A stands for alpha channel. By alpha channel, I mean it specifies the opacity for a color. By opacity, I mean that it specifies how much a color is visible. Okay, so let's see how do we write that. So RGBA, so in bracket we write the value of red, green and blue, just like we wrote it before, and then we also add one more comma with the value of alpha. The values of alpha written in between 0 and 1. So from 0 to 5, the color will be fully transparent. By fully transparent, I mean it won't be visible at all. Okay, from 0.5 we have translucent, which means it will be halfly visible, and by 1 it won't be transparent at all. That means it will be completely visible the way it is. Alright, now let's see some examples. Over here, I have my style attribute again, background color, :RGBA, and I write my values just like previously, 255, 99, 71, and over here alpha channel is 0, so you can see it is transparent. Over here my value is 0.2, so it's a little bit of more translucent, I would say, and then 0.4 it's more, and then 0.6 it's more translucent, and when it comes to 0.8 it's more visible, and when it comes to 1 it's completely visible. That means the real color is this, and when you put the value 0 it's not visible, and when it comes to 0.2 that's how it is visible. Alright, so yeah, that's it for this video wherein we learned about RGB and RGBA. It's a very major topic, of course, which will make using colors very easy in HTML coding. So yeah, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with everyone and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure to comment in the comment section about what you liked about this video and what video you would like next. I would really love to read all of your comments. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.